Hi everyone. This week, our meditation topic is focusing on myself who pretends. When I look back at the moments in my life where I found myself pretending to be kind, nice, well-mannered, at first glance, I recognize it was my way of being, unconscious and almost a survival instinct, a way how I could ensure I'm accepted by the group and avoid loneliness and rejection. I can see myself many times forcing a smile or an interaction to fill a certain lacking need or desire. Hopefully you can fill it for me because I can't fill it for myself. This deep sense of inferiority, lacking, and desire through the process of letting go with meditation has helped these deeply rooted minds subside, and it's completely changed the way that I approach people. What I've come to realize is I don't have to pretend if I treat people with honest sincerity and care. Not everyone's gonna like me, and that's totally natural, and it's okay. And another beautiful benefit of the meditation is finding the truth within me, finding that unshakable love that already exists within me. It's the love of the universe that doesn't even want anything at all. Coming face to face with that true self has given me so much stability and love for myself. And so without even trying, with that love in my heart, there's no need to pretend. With that love, there's only gratitude for the life that I've been given. And every single day is a lesson from the world to learn and grow from. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, reflecting deeply on the mind and finding answers to the question for yourself. Why do I find myself pretending? What are you actually afraid of? And finally, pulling it out from the root. Best of luck, everybody. Thank you.